Morning guys, James here. This is going to be a very short video going over the differences of all the varying types of IronX. We have a full YouTube video on this that Corey did a fantastic job going over each of these different variations. The videos that Corey do on this channel are a lot more in-depth. He really has more of a discussion or a conversation with you guys. These shorts are just to offer you all a quick and easy differentiation between a lot of our products. So please, I implore you, go look at the product descriptions that we have on our site or check out the other resources if you really want to deep dive into these products. But let's get into this. So first and foremost, tried and true, CARPRO IronX. This is going to be the traditional formula of IronX. IronX is used as a iron decon on vehicles, usually preparing it for a ceramic coating, getting ready for a polish, or even a sealant in some cases. So IronX is going to be the tried and true dedicated decon product for this decontamination process. You'll follow up with a clay bar, and all it is it's going to go into the surface of the vehicle and it's going to chemically remove the iron fallout, traditionally or usually from brake dust of the other vehicles on the road that are embedded in your clear coat, in your coating, or in your sealant basically. And it's going to chemically remove those products. IronX and IronX Lemon Scent. If you've ever used these products, you know that they don't smell great. And Lemon Scent doesn't really smell that much better. But the difference between Lemon Scent is the actual real differentiation here is in the formula itself. A few years ago, CARPRO kind of made an adjustment to the IronX formula. They were adjusting a few things to either make it more powerful or even to try to make it not smell as bad. And what they ended up finding was that the new formula, the original IronX, is a thinner viscosity, meaning that you can spray a lot more of it. It doesn't cling or stick as much to the products. And some people really prefer this. But the IronX Lemon Scent product is actually the OG. This is the original formula of IronX, the original one. And so this product is actually thicker and a little bit stronger, hence why it is a few dollars more on the site. I think it's only like $1 or $2, but anyway. So if I had to recommend to anybody, if you're going to be your first time using CARPRO IronX, you're really just getting into the product line, into the decontamination, I would definitely pick the original. You can't go wrong with this. If you have a lot of experience with decontamination and you are just looking for something that packs a little bit more of a punch, Lemon Scent's a fantastic option. So I personally, at this point, I use this one. Okay, IronX Snow Soap. Think of it as iron decon, but in a soap. So this is really, really helpful for individuals that want to do a light decon or a maintenance decontamination on many vehicles. IronX Snow Soap is no replacement for regular IronX or IronX Lemon Scent. It's not going to have the iron removing capabilities of these two products just because these are purely a lot more concentrated in that aspect. But IronX Snow Soap excels for maintenance washes. If you live in an area where iron fallout is significant, rail dust from trains, there's certain areas of people that they just have a lot more trains in their area. This is a fantastic wash to add to your routine, maybe every few months, to kind of get a little bit of that iron removing capabilities without having to do a dedicated iron decon. And at the same time, it's applied like a soap. Now, IronX Paste. This is the big boy. We offer this in smaller sizes because traditionally you don't need a lot of this. But this is the heavy hitter. It is a thick paste that you let dwell onto extremely embedded iron contaminants. I'm talking, this is for spot removing iron, whether it be on a wheel, whether it be on paint, something that is really, really embedded. IronX Paste is going to excel there. The video that Corey does with this product is going to go really in depth with this, and it's also a lot better if you have these specific iron fallout contaminants on flat panels because it's paste, so it's going to stick traditionally to that area a lot better. So check out the full video for more in depth on that one. But that's going to be the main difference. The majority of people don't need IronX Paste. It's going to be a specific niche use case. IronX Snow Soap, again, a little bit more niche. Good for maintenance, good for those that know iron fallout is very prevalent in their area. IronX Lemon Scent, stronger, thicker formula of the traditional IronX. IronX, tried and true. Can't go wrong with this. Crucial for ceramic coating prep. So use all that information, make the best decision for yourself. You don't need all of them, but you might need one of them. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.